Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar let's enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just tap here to open the app. Click enable in settings, and near green on Apple keyboards, click once on the switcher, tap OK, again OK. After that, just go back and click switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, as you can see, and let's just go somewhere, for example here into the search, to see the look of our new device keyboard. And we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.